welcome to Machine Maker, and I have with me Mr. Shekhar and Mr. Utsav, who are part of Executive Committee of AIPIMA, who is the organizer of the Asia Code and Ink Show. Your vision for this exhibition and how has been the exhibitors' response?
A lot of planning was done in the last 2 years for making this exhibition as good as possible, and this year the exhibitors have come up with many new ideas, concept of their products, and the display also has undergone a sea change vis-a-vis what we saw in the earlier years. We are the intermediate to the packaging and printing industry. Basically, printing is a consumable which goes on packaging material. The substrates vary. It could be either paper, it could be polyester, it could be BOPP, it could be polyethylene, it could be metallized polyester. I mean, there are several substrates available.
20th of November, we had the 13th International Conference. So the conference theme was Sustainable Solutions for Printing Inks and Packaging. So India is growing on the sustainable direction. And sustainability means that you have to make reuse of the package, you have to reduce the packaging, and you have to reduce the carbon footprint. So India is working very actively on this.
The young people of India, what message you want to give to them to come and invest in manufacturing?
The more we manufacture and bring down the cost of production, there exists a potential for us to export our products to other countries. Try to do startup instead of going and working for yourself. Make the best use of the opportunity available at this point in time.
When you make any chemical composition, you need raw material, you need colorant, you need binder. So all these people are available here. Get the ideas. Things are coming in the most is the compliance, safety, regulation, and sustainability. These are the four things in the Indian packaging is growing. All these regulations as well as the compliance will make us at par with Europe and US. And with the sustainability journey, I think we will overcome in near future, maybe next 10-15 years. India will be the most important packaging force in the world.